Welcome back, my dear student. I am GT sir from NP Public School, and today I am going to explain the chapter Getting Future Ready. Okay, Getting Future Ready. And before the starting the video, we will know about the hard words of the chapter and some of the important point that related to the topic. So let's start the video without wasting our time. So let's you can see here is the gets which means measure are calculated. Okay, measure are calculated acting on reflexes. Acting on reflexes means responding naturally and quickly. It means the work will be became naturally, and it means responding, it means answer, giving answer naturally by, it means automatic, and quickly, it means quickly means hurriedly. Okay, and steer means to run on the path, it means go straight. Why? Because we are talking about the autonomous car. Clear? Autonomous car advance in the science and the technology have made life faster, easier, and more convenient. Okay, it means with the science our life became very faster and easier and comfortable. Okay, and here is a quick look at the some of the latest technology offering and a sneak peek into what the future hold for us. Okay, what we get in a future. Okay, and how can we improve our future by help of the technology. And nowadays many of the person depend on the technology, and without technology the human life is not better. Okay, in everywhere you can see, in a kitchen, in the room, in the shower, everywhere we use the science technology. Okay, and this science technology we get more of the comfortable things, and we became faster than in ancient time. Okay, so let's today we are talking about the topic self-driving car. Okay, self-driving car, and an autonomous car is also called a self-driving car or driverless car or robotic car. Okay, we can say that when a car self-driving, okay, self-driving, it means no one help to drive the car. Without driverless, we can say that autonomous car. Okay, we can say autonomous car or the robotic car or the driverless car. Clear? And autonomous car because need data and updating continuously. Okay, like our mobile, we can use the mobile, and many when we use it many time, then it need to the updating. Okay, without updating we cannot secure our mobile and many of the data. So as the autonomous car is also getting the data and updating continuously. Clear? And in the future, without human help, robotic will manufacture autonomous car. Okay, it means many of the in the future our technology is a increase. And how can it increase? It increase as like as it improve or it manufactured itself. Okay, it manufactured, it means this autonomous, a robotic personality, a robotic machine manufactures many of the autonomous car itself, and prefer these vehicles are very safe and comfortable in transportation system. Okay, this nowadays many of the person are driver to use the bus and many of the truck, and in a future our technology improve this, and without driver the all the transportation will help. Okay, and it run on the road without driver. Clear? So let's start the chapter. Self-driving car. Could there be a vehicles that could drive itself, well, soon you would be traveling to school in a driverless bus. Okay, when in the morning when your bus go at your home and press the horn and you will running fast to enter the bus, and you also wish the driver to good morning. But in a future when you enter the bus, then you can see there is no driver in the driver's seat. Okay, and that bus run automatically, and you will reach at school without driver by the bus. And what is the imagination of that situation? What is the surprising for you when you can see there is no driver and the bus is running on the road very fast? Okay, so it is the very surprising. And a driverless or self-driving or autonomous car is a vehicle that can drive itself all the time. Okay, it is not stopless when the driver is not there, and the car is running all the time without resting. Okay, and in any places and under any condition without any human intervention means interfere. Okay, there is no any person to drive the car, so any condition, any places that driverless car or self-driving car reach there. And such car have several inbuilt system and software that are programmed to the sense the environment and operate safely on the road. Okay, this type of the car, this means self-driving car without any program or software, without any usage, without any senses, we cannot run on the road. That type of the car. So when such type of the car come in the market, then the car have several built system. What kind of the system? Like a software that program to sense. Okay, in the car, driverless car, they use the software, that program to sense. What kind of the sense? To think how can drive the path in accident, how can manage the accident, so, such type of the many things. Okay, and how operate the environment. Okay, operate safely on the road. Okay, and a driverless car has technology that allow it to not only steer the wheel, apply the brakes and park the vehicles, but also judge distance between vehicles. Wow, what is the specialty of that car? Okay, the driverless car has technology that allow it not steer the wheels. Okay, it means the cars is not run as a steer, as a straight. Okay, if the someone is straight before the car is also cut the and pass through the person. Okay, and it is the feature of the cars, and apply the brakes, and if the someone come before the car, the driverless car also apply the brake. And its next feature, it is the park the vehicle, in the parking, and judge distance between the vehicle, and also judge the distance between two vehicles. It is the very interesting. When a person sit in the car, then they also think about many of the things, the distance, how can make the distance from the one car to another car, and when he press the brake, and how can he apply the brakes and pass to the person. Okay, many of the things think about the human personality, but the driverless car is also apply all these things. Okay, and interpret traffic signal, control speed, and gauge means measure of the calculation at traffic, follow the specific route, detected danger, and so on. That is the driverless car can see the pedestrians or the trees fallen on the road and slow down or brake, and it can feel the rain and turn on the wiper. Okay, it, many of the feature work in a driverless car. And what is the feature? To steer the do not steer the vehicles and apply the brake and park the vehicle and judge the distance between vehicles, interpret the traffic signal, control speed and gauge traffic and follow the specific route and detect danger. And if the rain is dropping, then it also start to wiper. It feel the rain and start to wiper, and it can monitoring traffic and take a diversion. Okay, it is also monitoring traffic and take a diversion. In short, driverless car do the job of the driving, navigating, following rules and the acting of the reflexes while on the road. Okay, many of the things this autonomous car or driverless car has a feature of such type of. Okay, it is very interesting, and in the future we can see such type of the car on the road very easily and normally. Okay, and we can also use these driverless car to go one place to another place. Okay, self-driving car can help the elderly and those with physical challenge move around. These cars are expected to be safer to use and therefore could reduce the number of traffic violations and accidents. However, driverless cars are only being tested to that too largely in the United States of America. Okay, such type of the car tested by the United States of America. And self-driving car also help the elderly and physically challenged move the physically challenged around themselves. And these cars are also expected to be safer use. Okay, it is also expected to safer use, and therefore they could reduce the number of the traffic violations. Okay, and accident. Clear? And but with the automobile industry bringing out improved version every year, and driverless car with the varying levels of the autonomy could well the available soon, and many of the might own thinking and driving car belongs low. Okay, in the future many of the automobiles company wanted to improve such type of the car. What is the information of the such type of the car? To thinking driving. How can the autonomous car thinking driving car before long? Okay, nowadays the United States of America make a car different kind of that not good for the long distance. Okay, and many of the feature they improve the car and also make it better than now. Okay, so this is the very interesting chapter, and I hope you all understand this chapter. And in this chapter you know about the self-driving car, that is the drive self, and how can it work. It work by the software that programmed in the auto in a car, and what is the its best for it. It is not running straight. Okay, see also turn if the someone is stand before, and it also apply the brake and use the wiper when the rain is drop, and he also stop or take the diversion in the front of the car. If there is traffic, she diversion her way, and if the many of the trees or many of the things that drop on the road, that it also stop there, and in a accident time she automatically she stop itself. Okay, it is the feature of the car, and in the future we will use such type of the car for the transport and the moving one place to another place. Okay, so I hope you know about the chapter and understand this well. So you will read this chapter at home and also try to solve the exercise of the chapter as a page number 34. Okay, so thank you for the watching this video. Best of luck.